guys, this is our tenderloin pork of salt, guys. Sprinkle with salt ng ating konti lang, not so much. Okay? Then, maglagay tayo ng pepper. I-marinate muna natin ng 20 minutes, guys. So, maglagay din tayo, guys, ng soy sauce. This is Silver Swan soy sauce. That's around... Tansya-tansya lang, guys. Always tansya-tansya. So, it's up to you, guys, kung how much you put in the soy sauce. So, this is the Mamacita oyster sauce. Maglagay lang ako ng 1 tablespoon ito, guys. Spread out ko to ng paganyan, ng paganito. Then, kuha mo na ako ng 4 cloves ng garlic. So, maglagay tayo ng nito. Talaga, guys. Means talaga, guys. So, that's it. So, now we are going to put in our minced garlic. Tapos, guys, hindi pa juice. So, today I heard him play. So, mga 1 tablespoon lang, guys. Calamansi juice. This is our calamansi. Kasi, guys, masarap pag may calamansi. Kung wala kayong calamansi, guys, you can use the yellow one, the lemon. Guys, this is pork tenderloin. Stir fry ko mamaya. So, talaga, guys, ganyan talaga ang life, okay? 20 to 30 minutes, guys. So, guys, this is our tenderloin pork meat na marinate na natin. This is the carrots, pineapple tidbits, the cabbage, the spring onion heads, the spring onion leaves, the garlic, minced garlic, not totally minced, guys, all chopped. So that's our green capsicum, our tomatoes. This is a half chicken broth cube, and this is our red onions. Today, guys, magluluto tayo ng stir-fry pork tenderloin with vegetables. Okay? We are going to cook. Wow. Okay. In our wok, a little bit of oil, guys, kasi maglagay tayo ng butter. Okay? I'm adding around 35 grams of butter. Alam niyo ba, guys, bakit naglagay ako ng oil before I put our butter? Para hindi masunog ang ating butter. Guys, ilagay na natin ang ating garlic. Kahit hindi pa masyadong mainit ang ating butter. Para mag-add siya ng aroma, smell, guys. Yung flavor, yung ang bango-bango niya, guys. Okay? Yun ang technique number 1. Take time yung ating spices. Hindi masusunog. So, next, ilagay natin ang ating red onions, guys. At saka yung ating spring onion heads. Siguraduhin malinis ang inyong mga kamay bago kayo magsimula sa pagluluto. Even bago kayo mag-prepare ng foods niyo, guys. Kasi health is wealth. Health is wealth. Yun ang sabi ng aking nanay. Think about it every night and day. Spread my wings and fly away. I believe I can soar. So, pag mag-translucent na, guys, ang ating red onions, ilagay na natin, guys, ang ating tomatoes. Tapos, guys, ilagay na din natin ang ating half broth cube. At maglagay tayo ng 1 tablespoon, guys, ng tomato paste. Para mag-flavor siya, guys. Masarap siya kasi, guys, eh. So, ito, guys. Tomato paste. 1 tablespoon. I-mix na natin, guys, yung guys, tomato paste. So, nakita niyo, guys, ang colorful na niya, guys. Now, ilagay na natin ang ating tenderloin pork. So, yung minarinate natin na tenderloin pork, guys, ilagay na natin. Yun. One kilo ito, guys. So, hinati ko siya para dalawang beses akong magluluto ng Pero ito, masarap ito. Pwede pa yun ito. Tomorrow namin So, ilagay ko na lang yung konti na marinated. Pati yung mga garlic, sayang naman. Ni-absorb siya sa pork, guys, yung nailagay ko. Takpan natin, guys. I-simmer natin ng napakahinang apoy for, so it's about 5 minutes. 5 minutes ang nakalipas, guys. So, we have to flip over after 5 minutes, guys. Kasi, kailangan na. Yung pork natin, guys, very tender ito kasi, tenderloin kasi ito eh. Tenderloin pork. Whole meat. Meron pang isa. Mas madali mag-tender ang karne, guys, pag hinaan natin ang ating apoy. So, yun. At this point, guys, ilagay na natin ang ating carrots. Maglagay na tayo ng ating carrots. Pineapple tidbits. Para masaya. At takpan natin, guys, ulit. Okay? Oh my Jesus, my background is chopped. Okay? So, guys, ito na. After 20 minutes, guys, ng pagsisimmer natin, guys, ito na yung nangyari. So, we are going to taste, guys, para dito natin malalaman kung meron pa bang kulang o wala na. So, at this point also, guys, we are going to add our green bell pepper. Green bell pepper. Bell pepper. That is our green bell pepper, guys. So, tikman natin, guys. So, hinaan natin balik ng konti ang ating apoy. So, tikman natin, guys. Okay? Wow. Mag-add tayo, guys, ng konting oyster. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Napakaano na ni, guys. Hindi tayo maglalagay ng tubig, guys. Wala yun, wala yun. Maglagay ako dito, guys, unang spice. So, this one, guys, you can omit this one, guys, pero gagamitan ko siya ng spicy seasoning, guys. Maglagay ako nito, guys. Kita ninyo? Honey. So, pag wala kayong honey, guys, you can use brown sugar. Pero meron akong honey. Gamitan ko ng 1 tablespoon ng honey. Pang padagdag ng sarap. You can use any brown sugar or light brown sugar, guys, or white sugar. It depends na lang yun sa inyo kung what is available in your kitchen. Okay? So, ilagay na natin ang ating cabbage, guys. Hindi pa ako nag-taste. I-simmer lang natin ng konti. We are almost done. Simmer lang natin ng konti, guys. Lakasan natin ang ating apoy for 2 minutes. Ano ba? Nabubulol na ako, guys. 2 minutes lang. Give me the gift. So, ang ating, ano, guys. So, hindi siya ma-overcook yung ating malutong pa siya yung ating cabbage. Tingnan nyo guys. Yun lang siya. Pinaka-simple kong recipe. So, hindi hindi pwedeng lakasan natin ng 2 minutes ang ating apoy guys. Masusunog siya. So, ano lang. Konti lang ang apoy. So, tikman natin guys. Tayo ay magtitikim-tikim. Patikim man ng taste, test, taste, test, taste, test, tasty channel, test, taste. Yeah, yeah. Sounds good. A little bit of soy sauce. Guys, kayo kapag kayo ang nasa kusina nyo, it's up to you guys kung ano yung i-add nyo pa ha. I'm shining like a candle in the dark. When you tell me that you love me, when you tell me that you love me. Guys, lagyan ko ng konting cheese. I wanna hold you close under the rain. I wanna kiss your smile and feel the pain. With music guys, no? Kusinera na, singer pa. I wanna change the world only for you. All the impossible I wanna do. That's it. Guys, that is our finished product. This is pork tenderloin stir fry with, alam nyo na, with love. So, have a great time. Mag-platings na tayo, guys. Sinamahan ko nito, cheese. Cheese na masarap. Masarap pa. Spring onion, a little bit. Plates ka lang. So now, magpiplatings na ako, guys. So, please it be God. Ubusin namin ito, guys. I will take a picture first. This is my finished product, guys. So, rice with this tenderloin pork stir fry with love. So, thank you for watching to my channel, guys, and please don't forget to subscribe, likes, and comment, and share. Have a great time.